Hi.
Welcome to the vlog. It's Saturday and we just got back from shopping. It's just a pit stop because we're going to be going out again tonight. The town that we used to live in has its 100-year celebration tonight and we're going to go see some fireworks. So that's a lot of fun. We drove by before and it didn't look very happening, but I think it's just because it's really hot today. Maybe later on more people will come out, or maybe they won't. You know, I don't need a crowd, so I just want to see some fireworks and hear some music. So we went to the usual suspects today. We went to Aldi and ShopRite. We went to Target, but we just got like hand wipes and stuff. So Aldi today had some good stuff. I didn't really get a lot, but I noticed that they have these back in stock, the tzatziki seasoning packs. So you mix this with some yogurt or sour cream, and you got yourself a little bucket of tzatziki. So I like to do this with the vegan sour cream or plain yogurt, of course. We got a cantaloupe, we got some frozen green beans, some french fries. I'm pretty excited for these. I usually don't like strawberries that much, but this year the strawberries have been pretty decent. So I got a package of strawberries. Lucky me. Then we did our major damage at ShopRite. Sean's not that guilty pleasure today was peanut butter Captain Crunch. And I was pretty happy because it was on sale as well. So I didn't have to spend like $6 on a box of junky cereal. Sorry I said it. Alright. The other stuff, blueberries, also a good price. The broccoli was $1.49 a pound. The Italian flour was not on sale, so I only got 3. And for some reason now, the organic one is the same price as the non-organic one, so I got the organic one. It's a no-brainer. I'm not gonna spend less to get the not organic one. I mean, spend the same to get the lesser flour. I got some caramelized onion hummus. That was on sale. We got some plant-based mozzarella, some plant-based feta, also on sale. Sean has been asking for weeks for s'mores, and they don't have vegan marshmallows, and I'm not going to eat these, so I just got the regular marshmallows. And I got the honey graham crackers because, like I said, I'm not going to be eating them. So he can enjoy them. We do have some vegan chocolate, though, that he can use. Some tamari gluten-free soy sauce, some beans. I got another of the Ripple plant-based milk because I took advantage of Prime Day and I got some vegan protein powders that I want to try out. A brand that we haven't tried before, which is Huel. So I'm excited to try those out, so I had to make sure I have enough plant milk because I like to mix it with that one because it's an extra 8 grams of protein on top of everything. Vegan yellow rice mix. Can never have enough pesto. You never know when you're going to need it because we have really been shying away from the tomato sauce because Mark and Maddie are both triggered by the tomato sauce for heartburn, and I think it gives Maddie migraines as well. So we only got the 1 jar of pasta sauce for when she's not around. I got these because I've had these before and they're delicious, and I feel like they're phasing out some of the flavors of the Daring, which is a shame because I really like the Daring also. But this is a very rare, delicious home-style chicken strip that is not seitan, so I'm very happy for this. I mean, the Daring is not seitan either, but that was only $5.99, not on sale, so that's at least $1 cheaper than the Daring. We got some sweet potato tortilla chips, We thought these were on sale, so we got them, but apparently they were not. I hate when that happens. This was on sale. We got that. $5.99 for the Impossible. These were $1.50 each, so that's fantastic. I was watching a video about Italy before, and the foods of Italy, and they were making a beautiful Milanese risotto. And I had a hankering for risotto, so I got some arborio rice for maybe this week. Mark's good lettuce because he thinks he's above the romaine, so I got him this one. We also got some good pasta. We got some Little Italy in the Bronx, which is a product of Italy. Oh, this one is also. These were on sale for $1.99. That's pretty good because they're usually over $3. So I got 2 of the rotini and 2 of the spaghetti number 60. Who makes the numbers on these die? Because I have definitely remembered we used to get spaghetti number 8 all the time. How is this spaghetti 60? It looks exactly the same as the 8. Maybe it's a little bit smaller. I don't know, but it doesn't. It seems like they're coming up with these random numbers. Like every brand has their own set of numbers. Shouldn't it be like universal? I don't know what's up with that. But I think that's everything that we got. So I gotta put it away now. I gotta make some dinner. And then we're gonna go out and enjoy ourselves tonight for a change. Instead of just falling asleep on the sofa, we're actually gonna go out into the world and maybe get eaten alive by mosquitoes. Hopefully not, though. Hopefully there'll be enough people around where the mosquitoes won't be as bad. Hi, Sean.
Hi.
You having a good time?
Yes.
We're listening to the music. Pretty soon they're going to have the fireworks.
Yes.
I see Daddy Mark is the last person in line for ice cream. Daddy's going to get some ice cream for you, okay? All right.
What's tomorrow dinner?
I don't know. What are we having for dinner? What do you want for dinner? What do you want?
Have for dinner? What?
What do you want? What do you want for dinner?
What do you want?
All right, never mind. Wow, they really went all out, huh?
Yeah. Free ice cream.
Free, baby. Happy 100. Shawnee, how's your ice cream? Be nice if we could hear the music.
What?
It'd be nice if we could hear the music.
Well, I mean, we can go over there if you want.
Yeah. Boy, you're good. I couldn't get that from. We're too far away. Hi, Bubby.
Hi, yeah!
Somebody's a little upset right now because there's some rumblings outside of weather.
Yes, don't worry, Bubby. We have Lumiere. Oh, wow, Lumiere's heavy!
Lumiere is heavy.
I didn't know this was like...
The batteries are done. We need to
Oh.
replace the batteries.
Well, we have Lumiere just in case.
That's like an official one from like Disney World.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Shandi's got good taste.
Yes, he does.
Right,
It was
Lily?
quite expensive, I must tell you.
I'm not surprised. Oh,
I know. These pets are killing me on the Big Brother feeds.
yeah. We are currently waiting for the feeds to come back after the first veto ceremony of the season.
By the way, it's Monday.
Yeah.
I didn't film anything yesterday because we went and played pickleball in the afternoon, and then we had to get ready for Big Brother second episode. Oops. And I was so tired last night when I was editing the episode that I was like getting physically sick from not falling asleep.
That's not good.
I know, I need more sleep. I don't know what to do except sleep. So we had a great time at the celebration. I don't think I filmed anything since the fireworks. So it was a lot of fun. We used to live in that town. The kids grew up in that town.
Yes, it was a fun place to grow up.
Yeah, I mean, there was no shortage of kids in that town.
Yeah, I was going to say, there were a ton of kids in the development that we grew up in, so, I mean, it was the age of going outside all day, like after school,
Yeah.
and then you would flicker the lights on and off when it was time to come in.
Or I said, when the street lights come on. Yeah.
I don't want to be that old lady, but I feel like the kids don't really do that as much anymore.
They don't go out.
Yeah.
I guess. I mean, they got
It's
other
also
stuff.
a different world.
It is a different world. I don't know how comfortable I would feel letting my kids roam around now as opposed to back then.
Yeah, I wouldn't be into
No.
that.
No.
So, I get it.
Yeah.
But I mean, I just don't know that the interest is there from the kids. I mean, they have so many more distractions now with computers and the internet and...
A lot of the kids got better phones than we do.
Yeah. It's crazy. It's just so weird to think about the differences.
Freaking kids walking around with Oura rings and Fitbits, and I don't have that.
I got a fit collar.
Yes, he does.
Yeah! You handsome boy.
I know, right?
Mr. Cookies.
So I feel like now that the Big Brother season is underway, I'm just gonna put a little disclaimer out there that the videos are probably not gonna be
Sorry if our vlogs are boring.
as
That's
luscious
what you're trying to
and
say.
juicy as they usually are, but I'm gonna do my best. She might not be in them because she's busy working.
I'm gonna try, but there's only so many hours in a day.
Yeah.
But you'll be seeing plenty of me on the Mad Rose D channel.
Yeah, if you got Maddie withdrawals, go over to the Mad Rose D channel and watch her insane Big Brother coverage. Insane. Sean D had a good day today. There was no F you mommy.
That's what we like to hear.
Yep. And I'm just trying to think of what to make for dinner tonight.
Well, I'm having the fancy ultimate Gardein chicken for dinner tonight.
Well, lucky for you.
I've been planning this for weeks. My first meal after like the first live stream for the live feeds. I'm
Well, you
having
must
that
be
chicken,
in the Finer Things Club.
vegan chicken.
Are you Oh, you're not
What?
doing it like
I don't have an air fryer, so it's just going in the
Right.
oven.
That's okay.
But yeah, I've been looking forward to it. I'm gonna make these like I have this steamable bag from Aldi for veggies and potatoes, so I'm gonna have that with it.
Nice.
It's gonna be delicious.
Gourmet.
I've been looking forward to it.
She's been talking about it.
Every time I open up that freezer and I see the package, I'm just like, but I have to wait. Tonight is my reward dinner.
Well, you just had a gourmet lunch with delicious marinated
Oh my
olives.
god.
so-
No,
not
the
olives,
mushrooms. Yeah, it was really tasty.
Yeah.
Anytime we see the marinated, every time this thing changes too, I'm like, oh my god, it's back. But they're just switching the camera. But no, every time we get the marinated olives or mushrooms from Aldi,
Yeah.
it's just such a treat.
It is a treat.
It feels luxurious.
Because it is. Yes!
Baby!
I love it.
My baby
Oh,
boy!
his face.
Look at that face!
His face.
What are you doing?
Are you trying to melt us?
Yes, is it working?
Yes.
Lammy's a backwards baby.
She said, I don't care about no storm.
Oh.
She's not even... Oh, hello. She's not even watching the pets on TV.
She's been very interested in that in the past.
Yeah. Look at those back feet. Oh, lamb. Too cute.
All right. Well, you said we don't have any shout-outs?
No.
We don't have any shout-outs, but we hope you're all doing amazingly.
Yes. Let us know if you're watching Big Brother as well.
Yeah.
We want to know.
Oh, excuse me. All right.
Marinated mushrooms?
Time to go. I have to write up an Etsy listing for a custom order before these feeds come back.
All right.
Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you're doing great. And until next time, much love.
Bye.